part of the head office support team here at Revive.
And this is Revive Under the Spotlight.
What makes Revive different from other companies you've worked for or seen?
I feel like the support you get from like team leaders and management, it is different to what I've seen previously.
I think it's our culture. I think it's our team feel, our value of unity.
Collective working together for the success of everyone. All of us are working towards getting towards our 40 million goal for 2028.
I'm not always in the office, so when I do come in, I feel welcomed and still part of the team. So I think for me, that's the biggest thing.
The managing directors, they genuinely care about you, and you're not just a number in the machine. You are an individual, and they actually want to see you grow and develop. So I think that's really, really nice.
Everybody knows everybody, even from like the franchisees out there as well. We all know each other.
I often say that it doesn't matter what you offer as a service, we're in a people business. That's what we do, we're a people business. So I think the people in Revive stands us apart from others.
Working for Revive, I don't want to go and work for anyone else.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
Found your home.
absolutely.